Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, as some of you may or may not know, I bought a 2011 Polaris RZR 800. And so I decided to bite the bullet and put a winch on it, because I'm not going to be pulling or pushing myself out of anything. Now I thought about going to the next size up. I will admit this is a 2500. But they had the 25% off coupon, and I think it's 33,000 or 3,500, which is the next step up, was on sale, so I couldn't use the coupon, and it was quite a bit more than this. Well, yet again, I'll have prices below of what I paid for this. I'll have the regular price, and then I got the 25% off coupon on it that they had here a few weeks ago. Regardless, I thought I'd go ahead. I'm not ready to put it on yet, but I thought I'd go ahead and open it up and we'll take a look at it. And quite honestly, I am going to open this up and make sure everything's in here. But then I realized I had another project. I'm doing a dump trailer out of a Harbor Freight trailer at some point. Unfortunately, like a lot of my plans, some of them get pushed further down the line. But in the plan for doing that, I also bought one of these, which is exactly the same one, and I thought it was the older version, to be honest. That's kind of why I went and picked this one up. Plus, I didn't want to use this one because I had plans for it. I will say right off the bat, this has been like re-taped up here, it looks like, or they did a pretty impressive tape job. So hopefully it's all here. Oh, and you got your instructions. Alright. So we got the winch. Fairly nicely boxed, I will say. And what's here? So that looks all the same. We got the box of goodies and wire, which all appears to be pretty close to the same thing as well. So I don't think they've changed this a whole lot. Your wired remote, your little fair lead, your hook, which is in a clearer plastic bag. So the little baggies have changed in the packaging. I got little Ziploc bags now. So the hook, your shackle, and then bolts, nuts, bolts, and two little thingies here. So there's only two in this one. There was three in the other. There might be another one in this setup. I'm not sure. Right in this one, there's only two of these booty things that cover up your wires, and then some nuts and bolts, and then your Badlands little goodie there. So I will say, all in all, it's packaged extremely well. It comes with everything you need for the most part, but, oh, and it's got the wireless remote. But I will reiterate, I'm not real impressed with the wiring they give you. I could see that being a problem down the road, maybe. This has a white, this has a red. I don't know why they don't put black there, but they don't. So we got our nut, washer. I'm going to leave one washer on here. Oh, my bad. We want the negative one on here. And then a washer. Then the nut. Quite honestly, I'm going to do this by hand because all this is going to come back apart. So if it doesn't work for some reason, I will tighten these up a little better, but you definitely want to tighten these up. But for testing purposes, which is all I'm doing right now, this should be good enough, I hope. You're also going to have a boot here and a boot here, as well as this third boot. I'm assuming is for the battery, I would assume anyways. For the positive battery. Why they don't give you all red ones instead of all black ones, or should have two red ones and one black one, I don't know, but it is what it is. There's a bunch of wires on here. I'm going to clean all this up later, but right now, yet again, we're just doing testing, and I've actually already loosened this up. So I'm putting the negative on first. That is how I do it. You can choose to do what you want to do, but that's how I do it. Yet again, I am no expert at anything I'm doing, so if you choose to do something I do and you hurt yourself, I am not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it. Alright, there's that. Yet again, I would put this through this boot. Yet again, I need to clean up some stuff that's here that has already been done. And I'm just testing it. So all this is coming back apart again. So right now I'm just hooking this to the positive battery cable. You probably can't see any of this, but you're hooking red to positive, black to negative. If you can't figure that out, you probably shouldn't be doing this. So we got this all set up, hooked up to the battery. This says to enable, press the on-off button for 3 seconds until LED lights up. To disable, press the on-off button for 3 seconds until LED turns off. Note, the remote will power off automatically after 2 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so we'll hit this on-off button, which is the middle one, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Light came on. Now I'm going to extend and retract. Alright. Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.